How do you bend a fiber and keep that bend in the fiber? Where it becomes useful is when you, for example, I was lighting up my English pup and I put some lights up on the reverse gable, but I needed to have the fiber so that it was actually bent and would stay bent. Another application I've been working on today was putting some lighting into a car, and I drilled through the headlights and I wanted to stick the fiber through the headlight and then down through the body of the car, make a nice right angle bend, and then down through the layout. But in order to do that, I need to be able to make a right angle bend and for it to hold very well. So what I've done, I've just got a piece of fiber here and I've just taken 2 pieces of aluminum tubing and I'm just arranging them so one is near the end and the other one is where I'm going to actually have the right angle bend made. I'm going to actually use the trick of putting these into boiling water. So let's put the boiling water into a pan. Good. And all I'm going to do now is I'm going to stick this fiber in, put it down at one end into a corner. And now you see it's very easy for me to bend the rest of the fiber. And it's bent. So now I can pull that out. And now I've in fact got quite a nice bend in this fiber. So this will be great for my car. Could also be quite useful for the gable on my English pup. So that's all there is. And I hope you enjoy this and enjoy using our lighting system.
Trainz.com, making dreams come true, one train at a time.